Police Department, how can I help you?
Yeah, I had a couple questions about a couple statutes.
Okay, so you're calling the wrong department then.
Who?
You need to call the state attorney.
Oh, the state attorney?
Yes.
Well, I know that the state attorney is not the one that's going to be dealing with somebody that's carrying a black powder pistol.
A what?
A black powdered pistol?
Okay, so what does the statute got to do with that?
Well, I'm going to be openly carrying it, walking around, without a fishing pole, just kind of carrying a black powder pistol.
So why would you be openly carrying it if you know that that's going to be wrong or create suspicious?
No, forget suspicious. It's still illegal.
Say it again?
It's still legal.
So it's still legal and you're still going to carry it?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I?
So why would you ask a police station to see if you can carry it?
Because sometimes police don't understand the law.
So, but you do.
I do, yeah.
Okay, so if you would understand the law, you wouldn't call to ask a police officer in regards to that.
You'd be surprised how even if I call the police, they still don't understand the law.
Okay, so basically you're saying that when you go to a restaurant, you question the chef when he's making your food?
No, I called.
So you make no sense, boss man. You make no sense at all.
Hey, check this out, man. I called.
Okay.
I called Miami, right? And then I went to a pier in Miami, and I had guns pointed at me for following the law because they didn't know the law.
Okay, that sounds interesting, but
it's
you
on.
explain to them the law. You explain to them the law.
I tried to. She said the lady I talked to said I couldn't do it. She said She said it was not lawful for anybody to openly carry a firearm while they're engaged in fishing, hunting, and camping.
Okay, so let me explain something to you how a few things work in America.
Okay.
Lots of the times that the police responds to a call,
right,
it's not primarily because the police just happens to run across you and see you.
Right.
It's because somebody around you is freaking the fuck out.
Right.
So they call the police, and depending how they describe the object or item that you're holding or carrying, that's how we take the information.
Right.
So we take precautions depending on the information that they are giving to us. If
right.
they say that you have a gun that is about to explode, that is a bomb, we're going to treat you like you have a bomb. Therefore, that's what's happening. Now, when it's proved and confirmed that it's not a bomb and it's a fake gun, then you are released. But the procedure that takes place before you are apprehended and proven that it's not fake, it's the procedure that is done for every single real weapon. Do you understand that?
To point guns at people that are not breaking the law.
No. Do you understand that? Everything
like
that
you said,
to you did not make any sense to
right.
you.
Right. Like you said, this is America, and we have the thing called Second Amendment. And the Second Amendment doesn't, and you swore an oath to uphold that Constitution.
What is the Second Amendment, sir?
The right to keep a well-regulated militia necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Verbatim.
Okay.
I know the Second Amendment. And
okay, so you have the right to bear arms. But you have the right to bear arms by following the law.
I know, and if I'm following the law like I did, and I've had guns pointed in my face for following the law.
Do you know how that happened to you?
Yeah.
How the police came in contact with you?
Yeah, park ranger.
How?
Park ranger. Park ranger called
saw it?
Park ranger saw 6 of us openly carrying handguns on friggin' South Point Pier.
Okay, so basically you're saying that the police pointed a gun at you.
3,
because
4
somebody
of them.
else gave information to
4
them.
of them. Yeah.
So, do you think that's still the police fault?
Yes.
My man, you're in a different planet, boss man, because I just explained to you an entire story, and you still didn't get what I explained to you.
Right. So
that is fantastic. My advice to you is this: if you're gonna challenge your life like that, go ahead. Second, if you think you're doing the right thing, go ahead. Third, if you think you have the right to do so, go ahead. I'm nobody to tell you what to do. All I know is that every time you're carrying an object that looks threatening or life-threatening to somebody else, and they perceive it as it's to be life-threatening, they're gonna call the police.
I
The
get
police
that.
is giving that information. No, you don't get it. The police is giving that information, and they're gonna treat it like if it's life threatening, until it's proven that it's not. Now, let me ask you this though: were you arrested that day?
We were detained for 2.5 hours until they figured it out.
But you didn't answer my question. Were you
Yes,
arrested?
yes,
that day?
we were arrested that day.
So you were taken to the prison and
No.
locked up and everything, and
No.
you get fingerprinted and you spend the night in jail.
No, it took
So you still don't get my question then.
my-
You did
my-
not get arrested then.
All right, bro. It's cool, man.
You have a great day, sir.
Yes,
Continue
yeah,
challenging your life like that.
Happy New Year, buddy.
Happy New Year to you, sir. Bye bye.
All right, bye.